Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm GB from Tricom Singapore. Today I'm going to unbox this Raizo Smart Door Lock. This is the latest model of Raizo Door Lock, which is R4165. It's pretty unique, especially with the addition of one more new function that is face recognition. So here we go. Now I'm going to take off this styrofoam. Okay, so here we got the actual door lock. Obviously, the color is bronze. It looks pretty luxurious and stylish. Okay, now let's check out the outside. The door is locked automatically. I'm going to activate the keypad. It is touchscreen. And then I will key in 6 digit numbers that I set up and followed by the hash key.
Please open the door.
The second method, we can use this smart tag to unlock the door lock. These tags are using RFID technology. R4165 model also comes with a fingerprint scanner. So I just put my finger on. See, it's very quick and easy to unlock. It also allows to unlock your door via the free Raizo application. This app will show you all the history log. What's the difference connecting to Wi-Fi if you are already connected to Bluetooth? If you connect to Wi-Fi, you can unlock your door lock anytime and everywhere with just a smartphone if you have guests visiting your house. You will be receiving a notification immediately, just in case if the battery dies or any digital features fail. Just open up the cover. Behind the cover, you will see a charging port here which allows you to charge the battery using a Type-C cable with a power bank, and then it will be unlocked. In addition, there is a physical key holder here in front of the handle, and you can use this emergency spare key to unlock the door lock. The biggest worry with face recognition is that someone may use your photo to pretend to be you to open the door. So let's test it out. Okay, so now I'm going to selfie. I will use my phone to scan my photo, try to unlock this door lock. Okay, so here's the selfie that I just took. So I try to scan my photo. Okay, it's nothing happened. So now I'm going to use my face try to unlock this door lock.
Please open the door.
Okay, the test experience showed that photo cannot be used to unlock this door. It must be a real face to recognize and unlock it. How to get more details about this smart door lock? I will leave the contact and information in the description below. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you guys in the next video and have a nice day.